Racing just is started. We have Safety's Gold. Break quickly at a start. Moving up on the outside is Norp. Mamika Gobinis down on the inside. China Star, Scout Ranger, Don Alejandro Substantial. While sailing away is the early trailer by about 10 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have Safety's Gold by about 3/4 of a length lead. Norp is right behind in second. Gobini is down on the inside third, and on the outside fourth comes Mamika. China Star is racing in fifth. Scout Ranger, Don Alejandro sailing away, while Substantial now racing in last. Back to the leader, we have Safety's Gold maintaining a length and a half lead. Gobini moving up down on the inside. Mamika is on the outside. Is Norp in the middle portion. China Star moving up. Then next online now is Scout Ranger, Don Alejandro sailing away, while Substantial is still running at the tail of the field, and they are now entering the home stretch. We have Safety's Gold this time by her length and a half. Mamika in second, China Star on the outside, down on the inside for this Gobini. Last 150 meters more to run. We have Safety's Gold this time by about 4 lengths over Mamika in second, China Star, Gobini, and finally it's Safety's Gold, Mamika, China Star, then comes Gobini and sailing away.
Exceptional performance displayed here by Safety's Gold. Hindi nauna si Snarp sa kanya.
Galing.
Sa kanya Mark Alvarez.
Forecast, estimate.